Welcome to Get to Know the LAO, celebrating 50 incredible years of the Office of the Assembly. My name is Amanda Cupido, and today we're looking at the role of the Information and Education Officer. Where does it all begin? Right here.
We're stationed outside at the outdoor kiosk where people come up to us and ask us about the building.
I do public programming to encourage visitors to come into the building, and I do programming for school groups. So whenever children in grade 5, 8, or 10 come into the building on a field trip, I do education programming for them, where they get to learn about different aspects of the history of the province and how our parliament works.
Kids are often really engaged. They're very curious by nature. They have a lot of great questions and they want to learn. So it's kind of a great way to see that you're making a difference, getting people involved and telling them, like, you can have a voice here. This is all for us, all for you guys. And getting them, wowed by the majesty of this place.
My day includes a lot of education programming. Every once in a while, I'll do a public building tour. And I do a lot of tours related to the art and architecture of the building. One fun fact that people don't know about this building is that the Government of Ontario has been collecting art since 1875, and they have a collection of 2,700 paintings.
There's so many different things that you can talk about. There's art in the building. If you're like the technical side of things like I do, you can talk about that. Getting into how does cabinet work? How does question period work? How do we break that down? What is the technical aspect of that?
First and foremost, it's a lot of fun. It's like an honor to get to work here and get to teach people about how important our parliament is and why you should care and all the different ways you can get involved. So many people are curious about how does it work here in Canada? How does it work here specifically in Ontario?
And there's always new people, there's always new questions, and every day is never the same. So it's just a fantastic opportunity.
For more information about touring the building, visit our website at ola.org and click on Visit and Learn. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.